guys, what's up? It's Kristin. Today I'm doing a Nadine West unboxing for you. I did one previous, then I canceled it and I decided to try it out again. So it's like $9.87 shipping, and then they credit that to whatever you decide to keep. So if you like these kind of videos, just stay tuned. Okay, so we're opening the box. Here it is. And on the other side it has your address. It's a pretty big box. So let's open this up. You're supposed to save the box, so you can ship back whatever you don't keep inside. Okay, inside I have my paperwork and my return label. And one bundle and two bundles. Okay, looks like some of these things are reasonably priced. All right, so let's open the first bundle here. It says Nadine West on it. Okay, so the first item is this really cute gray and white striped top. I like these kind of tops. Hopefully this is a little bit longer. Striped in the front, and then it's solid gray in the back. And then it looks like it has some cuff sleeves. It's kind of a thin material. You kind of see through it, so I probably have to wear a shirt underneath it. And it has a pocket. So that's cute. So let's see what this is. This is DNA Couture top. I don't know if there's a tag on here. So we'll get to the prices at the end, so I'm not sure what's what. Next is, looks like a pair of joggers. These are cute. They're very nice. They're really soft. They're kind of like a gray and black material. And those are a size small. All right, so inside, we have some jewelry. So this, see the first bracelet. This is cute. There's the design. It's nice. I don't want to take it off the thing if I'm not going to keep it. Let's see if I could tell you the bracelet. The bracelet's $12.19. That's really not that bad. And then we have some earrings. These are cute. They're nice for the holidays. They're kind of like a silver, and then, yeah, they're cute. These are $9.99. And then, let's see, let's close this back up. And then this must be a necklace. Oh, this is nice. This is a pretty necklace. There's the necklace. It's really cute. Really nice. Be nice for like the holidays. Let's see if I can show you against my hand what it looks like. Really pretty. The necklace is $17.99. So we'll put this back in here. And then next is a pair of leggings, it looks like, and they fold over. So it's just a black pair of leggings. These are really cute. They're $19.49. I think the joggers are $22.99. Okay, so that was the first bundle. Next is, looks like a black dress, and it has like crisscross at the top and little bunching at the sides and bottom. It's really cute. I don't think I have anything like this, so we'll try this on. Oh, that's the neck. So you see that? It's kind of like tight at the, I don't know if that's my style. That, I'm not sure. There's two dresses that are $35.99. So this is another one, I think. This is lightweight. This is really nice. I like this. It's got a hood, and this is a dress. It looks like it has 3/4 length sleeves. Very nice. So we'll see. This one's $35.99. And then last but not least is this other top here. This is cute. This would probably go with the joggers. It's kind of like a gray material. It's a little bit of see-through, so it's nice. This is either 20, this is probably 26. So that's the box, the pricing, nothing over $35.99. And we'll have to see what I try on. So stay tuned for the try on. Okay, so the first item is this top. This is really cute. I wish it was a little bit longer, but I do like it a lot. Really cute. It's a little scratchy though, the material, but otherwise I think it's adorable. It fits really nice. So yeah. Okay, so next what I have here is the joggers. They're super comfortable. I really like them a lot. They're not a bad price either. So we'll see. Okay, next is this top. It's really cute, but it's like super thin. I'm probably gonna pass on it. It's just not my style. It just doesn't really work for me. It's cute though. The patching is really cute, but I'm not sure. I really think it's gonna go back. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, the next item is this dress. It's really cute, but unfortunately, it's a little bit too tight in this area here for me. I don't know, the pocket kind of is weird. If this was a top and a little bit looser, I totally would have kept it because I love black and white stripes. The hood's really cute too. I like that a lot. But unfortunately, this one has to go back. But I do like it. Okay, next is the black dress. It's really cute. I like how it cuts right here. The only thing is it's cut kind of low and it has this little neckline. I mean, it fits, the fit is really nice. And I like how it crisscrossed and it bunches and the cut right here. It's not bad. It's $35.99, but I really don't have anywhere to wear something like this, unfortunately, but it's really cute. Last but not least are these leggings. They're really cute. I like how they fold over and they fit really nice. So these might be a keeper. We'll see how much they are. They're either $22.99 or $19.49. So I'll let you guys know at the end. So I'm back. These are my final thoughts. This necklace is really cute, but I don't need it at this time, so I'm going to be sending that back. The earrings are cute, but they're just not my style. I like these kind, or just kind of like square ones, like hoops. And this bracelet's really cute, but I'm looking for more of gold. I should have told them I like gold. This top here, I'm actually thinking about purchasing it. I think it's really cute. It looks really nice on. It would look nice with a pair of black pants for work. So I'm thinking this is probably $26.97, but we'll see. I'm not sure. This is the other top, which is probably a little bit cheaper for $20. So I'm gonna be sending that back. Next, I have the joggers. These were really nice, but they were a little bit baggy and I'm just not really into them. The dress was way too tight. Unfortunately, it was really cute, but too tight. This black dress, no, I don't have anywhere to wear this, unfortunately, but it's really cute. And last but not least is the leggings. They're really cute, but I am not sure if I really want to spend $22.99 on leggings. So I think I'm going to send this whole box back and maybe try it one more time to see, and maybe change up my styling until I like cardigans and jeans and stuff like that. So we'll see what they have and what they can send me, and maybe some gold pieces. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.